Austin again. We're now at the Cypress Swap Meet the next day.
Hello. The weather's better. The weather is better.
Weather's better. It's not raining. It's a little damp because it didn't get rained overnight.
Where's the sunshine?
But we're here in the beautiful Cypress campus.
Yeah.
It looks like a prison in a science fiction movie made in the 60s in Britain.
It looks like Logan's Run.
Yeah, Logan's Run or Clockwork Orange.
Yeah. They have a word for this architecture. They call it brutalism.
All right, we'll see you over there.
It's always so busy.
We're gonna find lots of deals that'll make you surreal, and then I'll go home and have a hot meal.
Sounds like a plan.
Star Trek figures.
Star Trek figures. Dolls.
Austin has made a purchase, but he's not coming. He's still shopping at this booth.
What do you have on the case? 3 cases for 10?
What'd you get?
Well, let me put my money away.
Oh, he has to put his money away.
Can't just hold cash out here. Someone will take
Rachel's
it.
over at the Macy's booth. There she is.
I bought something really cool. I got a 3D printed golden elf mermaid.
Look at this thing.
Yeah, she's a mermaid.
the elf
I like that
ears.
she's got the big elf ears.
Somebody spent like 3 days making that.
Oh yeah, yeah.
All right, you have the trophy.
I'd like to thank the Academy.
That's better than the Oscar.
It is better than the Oscar.
Ha! Rachel digging through dolls. Nothing good?
One Star Darling.
Star Darling, you need that?
The only one I have is this character.
Pantalón de otra mujer a 5.
And at this cool booth with all these toys, we got Snow Trooper and Urko from Masters of the Universe. There you go.
That one.
Oh yeah, yeah.
How this one you like?
No, you don't. I always look here for these softness. That's a good question. Isn't it? The what? Let me look around the other side. Bob's Christmas Carol. I don't have those, no. Oh, there they are right there.
Tres o dos por cinco.
What do you have on the movies?
$2 each.
I could have them all for $6. I can get 2, 4.
What are you buying?
The How to Train Your Dragon movies.
How to Train Your Dragon movies.
Do we have these?
I don't have them, no.
Oh, I'll get them. They'll look good with my DreamWorks collection.
Las bolsas que están arriba son dos negras, ya aventando una y la rompe.
Well, no, there was no neighborhood movies to solve those out. So they get 25% off every one. For $2, you make 75%. Well, I'm thinking like a reasonable business. Paddington figure?
Will you please take care of that bear? No?
Name the movie.
I have no idea.
Planet 51.
Planet 51.
A human lands on an
The
alien
Rock.
planet. Yes, it is The Rock.
Nope. Do you know who that is? Who is this?
Here's the other guy from Planet 51.
You need those.
Oh no, I'm good. They may still be at the 99-cent store. They were there for many years. Manticore. That man is consistent.
Just waiting for the laundry to finish.
Here, show my Barbies off.
What'd you buy?
I got some Barbies.
This is some weird Club Barbie 1989 from another country, and this is the Barbie Summit.
Look how much she was even then.
Yeah.
That's expensive for a Barbie, you know. What year was this? Huh. Oh, 1990. So, I got that one. And I got this one. And, oh, I love this one. Gold and lace. All glitter and glamour.
Designed exclusively for Target, it says.
Center of attention.
You see the top of the front?
Oh yeah, it was her year. 1989. This is Barbie at her best. Right there. The little bent arms, the little diamond in the earrings, clicky knees, favorite brushes. Barbie at its best.
So, 34 years that's been in the package, and you're going to ruin it.
I'm gonna open it and love it and display it. How is that ruining it?
We got these things. These are Marvel Pocket Comics. It's a miniature playset inside a comic book. And we got all four. And they connect to be the X-Men Danger Room, it looks like. Look at that. Pretty cool. Jet hanger. Oh, there's the Danger Room. And we got all 4. Nicely done for us. They're tinting windows as we speak. Legal tint, it says. There he goes. He's going back in. We thought we were leaving, but he's going back in.
We did already look at this.
Yes.
Oh, I'm all confused.
Uh-huh. You're just staring?
Yeah.
You're just staring.
Well, there's a car, and I'm waiting for the car to move so
Oh,
I can
okay.
go.
This car is in the way here.
Yeah.
Backing up, backing up. You want to give us some highlights of what we bought today real quick?
Yeah, sure. We got
Because we're
also-
leaving the swap meet.
Why don't we wait till the call? That way, while unloading, we can show off.
All right, we'll see you in a second.
Yeah.
We're at the car.
Yeah, we're showing off
We've
all the
jump cut
stuff.
to the car. What did we buy?
Oh, I got this. You got Titanic?
Titanic,
start stacking
3D
up.
Blu-ray Dragon book. We got Gamera from Mystery Science Theater 3000. Your brother got Hannah Montana
$1.
Magnets.
Miley
Oh,
Cyrus.
what a bargain.
Okay.
This is the Star Speeder 1000 from Disneyland.
No, 3,000. The 1,000's the white one. 3,000. Oh, no, you're right.
There's people waiting.
It is the 1,000.
Okay,
Because it's a prequel.
got it. Thank you. That is Tom Waits' record with Cassandra Peterson on the cover.
She's on the cover?
Yes,
Oh, she's naked. Is that really her?
that's really her.
Sandra, what were you doing?
She was making a buck.
Oh gosh, another.
Oh,
one
another
of these.
Titanic 3D Blu-ray set, Austin.
Uh-huh.
I bought them both.
Uh-huh.
She bought this gavel for a cosplay.
Oh, put it in here for the Barbie movie, the Barbie Council.
All right. Well, there's a swap meet, folks. Swap meet, Cypress.
Blueberry coffee,
Blueberry coffee.
blueberry. Oh yeah,
Is it better than the automat?
yeah.